Hello geeks, what's up? Today I am feeling incredibly productive and that's why I have got 3 beautiful accessories for you because these accessories are sure to boost your productivity if you're using an iPad. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So my name is Lakshay, you're watching iGeeks blog, and today, as I said, I have got some incredible accessories that are sure to boost your productivity because today I have got a huge Pitaka haul. That's right, this is a Pitaka MagEZ stand, then I've got a Pitaka MagEZ case, and I have also got a Pitaka MagEZ case and folio for you. So I'm gonna show you an unboxing of all of these 3 products, and then I'm gonna show you what these 3 products, these 3 accessories are gonna do for you. So I mean, of course, these are 3 individual products. You can head over to Pitaka's website, pick all of these up individually, spend money on all of them individually, but the real fun is that Pitaka has created a bundle. They've called it the Pita Flow bundle for your tablet or for your iPad, and the real purpose behind creating this bundle is you can get all of these products together, boost your iPad productivity rate, and save some money as well. So first off, I'm gonna talk about why do we actually have a bundle, and then I'm gonna review all of these products individually. I'm gonna go in depth with all 3 of these products and then see if you should buy this bundle. So the bundle, the real thought process behind creating a bundle is that Pitaka has essentially leveraged Apple's magnets technology, the magnets that we get on the new iPads. Pitaka has leveraged the magnets. They've created this entire ecosystem of hardware. Just like Apple creates their own ecosystem, Pitaka has created their own separate ecosystem. You can buy each of these Pitaka products. They work together seamlessly and it's a lot of fun. So here's what we got in our bundle, and we have a stand, a 2nd generation case, and also a folio. And when we unbox this, here's what we got inside the box. When you get the stand, it's obviously a premium look because the aramid fiber makes this look really solid. It's a signature Pitaka look. It's heavy but not too heavy, and the setup was very easy. The best part is you don't get a lot of stuff in the box, so you're not really confused as to what goes where, and it was an incredibly easy thing to set up and really good to look at. Then comes the 2nd generation case. It of course retains the aramid fiber, the signature Pitaka look that we get. There's a lot of texture here at the back. It's very lightweight and thin, but it provides enough protection for the iPad. There's also the camera groove, which makes sure that your camera on the iPad stays safe. And then there's the folio. Well, the best part about the folio, I would say, is that there's this auto sleep and wake up functionality. So if your iPad is inside the folio, the second you open the folio, your iPad's gonna wake up, and the second you close the folio, your iPad's gonna go to sleep. So that's an incredibly thoughtful way of creating a folio, and Pitaka has done wonders here. So when I started using the case with my iPad, as you can see, I love the texture here. It's so beautiful. This protection, there's a lot of added protection. Of course, it works with magnets, so everything snaps on perfectly and seamlessly. This premium aramid fiber, typical Pitaka look, I love it. There is protection in all the right places, the buttons, the grooves, even the speaker grill is cut out perfectly, so you basically do not have any issues. And you know what the best part, I mean, you've seen me holding this Apple Pencil, right? You're probably wondering, where does the Apple Pencil go when you're using the case? Well, it goes right here, just like you would put it on your iPad, any other case. And you know, if you're using the Magic Keyboard with the iPad case, you can close the case with the Magic Keyboard attached, and you don't have to worry about removing the keyboard or the case, which is incredibly thoughtful of Pitaka. So the next product is this stand, the MagEZ stand, and I've got to say, I think this is my favorite of the lot. I don't really do a lot of creative work. I don't really use my iPad a lot, but then when I do have to use it, I plop it onto the stand. And the best part is the stand is very adjustable. So if you want to use it in the portrait orientation or the landscape orientation, the stand does it for you. You can also adjust the height of the stand. You can move it up or down, tilt it up or down. And the best part about the stand is its base has a wireless charging pad. So if you've got an Android device, it charges at 15 watts wirelessly. If you've got an iPhone, which I hope you do, well, it charges slower but at 7.5 watts, and your wireless earbuds, they also charge at 5 watts. And then there were 3. Well, I mean, this is the folio, and of course it's magnetic. Everything here is powered by magnets, and the folio is beautiful because it adds a double-sided protection. So no matter what side your iPad accidentally falls, it's gonna be safe because the Folio has some incredible protection. It's really lightweight, it's not that thick as well, and I really like this product. It's not my favorite, but I really like it. It's perfect for taking your iPad on the go with you. It's tri-fold, which means you can use your iPad in multiple angles. And Pitaka has been really thoughtful with the way this Folio works because you can also fit in the MagSafe Easy Case 2nd generation inside the Folio and use your iPad with it. So yeah, this is what you get inside the bundle. Now the question is, should you get the bundle? Because you've seen how the bundle works, you've seen how every product inside the bundle functions, you've seen the unboxing, you've seen the actual use cases. So should you get it? Well, see, the thing is, if you use your iPad as your personal computer, if you use your iPad as your primary device, then this bundle is like a godsend for you because you can use the stand, you can use the Folio, you can use the case. Basically, if your iPad is your entire workstation, this bundle is the thing that helps you use your workstation, maximize your productivity, and get the most out of your iPad. And if you're an artist, you can use the stand to make your iPad display as a sidecar monitor or a secondary display for your Mac. You can take your iPad, plop it onto the case and the Folio and take it with you wherever you go. You can continue your work on the go. You can work on your bed, you can work on your desk, you can work on your sofa. Basically, if you're a creative person, if you want your iPad to be your primary device, the Folio, the case and the stand, the bundle, the Pita Flow bundle is the best thing you can get for yourself. So talking about finances, how are you gonna buy this product? Well, the bundle, officially Pita Flow bundles, they start at $79.99, which means for $80 you can get a lot of these products. The one we've got here is gonna cost you $169.99. So in about $170 we've got the stand, the 2nd generation case and a Folio, which means we've got the entire bunch. I mean, I would say this product is worth every penny that we've paid for it. I don't really use my iPad for these productivity items, but we here at iGeeks, a lot of people swear by their iPads and they use this product a lot. And these accessories ensure that their workflow is not hampered by anything because the Pita Flow bundles are a perfect match for them. So if you want to buy the Pita Flow bundle, the link's gonna be in the description. You can head over to their website and just buy these products for yourself. And I hope you like this review. Let me know in the comment section below what's your favorite product out of the Pita Flow bundle. Share this video with your friends and let them know about what an incredible value this product offers. And thanks for watching, guys. This is Lakshya signing off. Stay safe and stay connected.